Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from CoinMarketCap, and also please don't forget to support my channel for more XRP updates and some other cryptocurrencies as a whole. Now take a look at this. SEC appeal plans overshadow Ripple's stablecoin Euphoria. Ripple announced on Thursday that it intends to enter the stablecoin market with a dollar-pegged stablecoin that is built on the Ethereum blockchain using XRP. Markets is used by professionals to trade the markets. However, the gains in XRP were just temporary because the SEC and Ripple were moving forward with the final step of the case that they were fighting against Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission submitted a version of the remedy-related opening brief on March 26. In its case from December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission stated that Ripple continues to violate the 1933 Securities Act. The deadline for Ripple to submit its opposition brief regarding the remedy is April 22, and the deadline for a redacted version is April 24. The extent of the penalty for selling unregistered XRP to institutional investors may be determined by the filing that takes place on April 22. Importantly, Ripple is required to provide evidence that it did not sell unregistered XRP to institutional investors in the United States after the complaint was filed. Morrison versus Ease. NAB, in which the Supreme Court determined that the CC only has jurisdiction over sales that take place within the United States, is a case that Ripple may use. The failure to demonstrate that all XRP sales were made to institutional investors located outside of the United States might result in a penalty of $2 billion for Ripple. A bad verdict could have a significant impact on Ripple's business objectives in the United States. Regardless of the conclusion, the SEC's intention to appeal the order regarding the programmatic sales of XRP continue to behave as a headwind for XRP. According to the decision that Judge Analisa Torres made in July 2023, programmatic sales of XRP do not fulfill the requirements of the third prong of the Howey test at all. A motion for interlocutory appeal filed by the SEC was denied by Judge Torres' court in October. Because of this order, the Securities and Exchange Commission will not be able to submit appeals against court rulings until the conclusion of the SEC's Ripple lawsuit. Since the verdict in October, 2 court rulings and continuing litigation between the SEC and cryptocurrency companies have backed the SEC. About the failure of Terrace and Luna to be registered as securities, Judge Rakoff declared in December that Terraform Labs and its founder, Duke Kwon, had violated the United States securities laws. A more recent development is that Judge Catherine Filler approved a portion of the motion to dismiss filed by Coinbase H. Despite this, Judge Fuller did not grant the motion to dismiss the allegations that were associated with the operation of an unregistered securities exchange. A greater degree of uncertainty may be cast over the cryptocurrency market as a result of the court findings and the anticipated appeal against the decision regarding programmatic sales. The announcement that Ripple is planning to develop a stablecoin that is backed by the United States dollar has caused some people to be concerned about the future of XRP, which is the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger. On the other hand, many are concerned that the stablecoin would obscure its function within the ecosystem. However, a well-known crypto researcher named Crippen Ryder has stated that despite the launch of the stablecoin, the distinctive characteristics and practicality of XRP will not be affected in any way. The differences between Stablecoin and XRP in response to these worries, Crippen Ryder highlighted that stablecoins and XRP continue to coexist within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, even though they fulfill complementary functions. Ripple has made an announcement today stating that they would be launching a new stablecoin that will be linked 1-1 to the United States dollar. Does this make it seem as though XRP is destined to fail? For a comprehensive understanding of the larger picture, let us learn together is the image on Twitter. When compared to stablecoins, which can keep their value stable by being tied to real-world assets such as the United States dollar, cryptocurrencies are intrinsically dependent on issuers, institutions, or particular countries. In the meantime, XRP functions as a globally neutral token on the XRP ledger, thereby lowering the risks associated with counterparties and providing transparency through its completely transparent ledger. Furthermore, even though stablecoins are experiencing dispersion across several platforms and chains, XRP continues to be a singular currency on the XRPL because it has a decentralized exchange built right in. In addition, Crippen Ryder highlighted the growing tendency of de-dollarization, which suggests that stablecoins that are tied to the United States dollar may encounter difficulties if trust in the dollar decreases Additionally, XRP is distinguished from stablecoins by its independence and adaptability as opposed to stablecoins, which are subject to restrictions that are established by their issuers. Changes in the supply of XRP, in contrast to stablecoins, involve reaching a consensus among participants on the XRP ledger. This ensures that the cryptocurrency is both transparent and decentralized. The end of the road for XRP, although there are certain concerns, Crippen Writer is confident that XRP will continue to hold a prominent position in the cryptocurrency space. The large scale of the stablecoin market, which controls 51 of the Ethereum network and decentralized exchanges, was brought to his attention by him. Crippen Writer thinks that Ripple's stablecoin project has the potential to achieve success thanks to the growing dominance of stablecoins in the cryptocurrency industry. He believes that the new XRP-LM feature will result in the launch of AM with currency pairs that involve XRP and the Ripple stablecoin for financial transactions. Ripple's slow progress towards a liquid stablecoin. An on-chain analyst by the name of Mr. Huber has previously raised concerns regarding Ripple's tardiness in introducing a liquid stablecoin on the XRPL, even though the network had been under development for years. The fact that Ripple has chosen to continue using XRP for international settlements has been interpreted by some as a sign that the company intends to maintain its long-term commitment to the digital asset. I just wanted to point out that this is a very reasonable question. Why has it been 10 years since Ripple has been able to successfully introduce a liquid stablecoin to the XRPL? Because Ripple considers private stablecoins to be a viable alternative technology. The company is completely dedicated to establishing XRP as a bridge currency between states. With the creation of a digital currency that is tethered to the United States, the cryptocurrency company Ripple has become the latest significant participant to enter the stablecoin industry, which is estimated to be worth $150 billion. It is stated by Ripple that the stablecoin will always be backed one-to-one by an equivalent sum of assets that the business has in reserve. These assets include deposits in United States dollars, bonds issued by the United States government, and cash equivalents. The cryptocurrency company stated that its reserves would be accounted for in monthly attestation reports that would be made available to the public. It did not specify whose company would lead the audit. Ripple is initially releasing its stablecoin in the United States, but the company has not ruled out the possibility of selling additional regional products in areas. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.